Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can switch between open applications on your iPhone. Friends, please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. And let's get to our topic. So, first of all, I'll tell you right away that I'm going to show you two ways that you can do this. And the first way is to swipe your iPhone screen from bottom to top, a little bit to the right side like this. So when you swipe, as you can see, I've already got apps open and release. And that will take you to all the open apps. You can select any of them. And then to switch, you can also swipe up from the bottom and go to some other app. And the second way, it is to swipe also the bottom of the screen, but from the left side to the right side. It's like this. This may not work for everyone. Even for me, it doesn't always work. So don't worry. As you can see, it's like this. So down from the center of the screen, you move it to the right side. So it's like you're flipping through the pages of a book and switching between the open apps on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you and you have seen two ways to switch between open applications on your iPhone, and you can choose the one that is convenient for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also please subscribe to our channel. See you soon.